guys, we're showing you guys how to use Higgsfield Kling 2.6 audio. So make sure to watch the full video. Stay tuned. And here, this is the home screen of the website. This is pretty much Higgsfield AI. So what we're taking a look at is the Kling 2.6 and show you guys how to use it and pretty much get the best results. It's very new and they're pretty much offering unlimited video generation using that model. So when we're scrolling down, all of you just scroll down bottom here, you'll be seeing the Kling option. As you can see here, it's very new. Once you have found it, you just select that option, and at the top here you may see a lot of models which you can use. Sorry, 2, VO 3.1, you have the Kling version 1, and you have the Kling 2.6, and just the normal Kling as well. So I have a lot of AI models which you can use, and you can see here a lot of presets which you can use as well. So once you have select the one that you want to use, and as you can see here I'm on the Kling 2.6, also I can just select one of these, say presets set by the website, as you can see here, and I'm just going to try out this option here, one of these animation. So as you can see here, this is the generating or the video generation section. All I have to do is just upload an image, anything as it relates to this here as they are showcasing, and enter a prompt. At the bottom here you may see the model option. This is pretty much where you go to select your model, and as you can see here you have the Higgsfield option, and once you tap on that option here you can see pretty much they have the light, standard and the turbo mode, which do give you different results. But what we're looking at is the Kling version or the Kling model. So it's down here. Once you select this option here, then you select the Kling 2.6. That should be okay. So once you've selected that as well, you'll be able to upload an image. I'm just going to select this image here up and down, and once that's finished, I'm going to just enter a random prompt which you can use as well. So I'm going to enter running real quick. Here down here you can also adjust the duration of the video, how long the video should be, whether it be 5 seconds or you want it to be 10 seconds. All depends upon you. So you can also add the audio, which they have added to this new AI model as well, so do keep that in mind. So down here you can also adjust the aspect ratio as it relates to this video. So as I said before, they do offer unlimited video generation using this model. So down here you can see how much credit you need to generate this video. So I'm going to step on generate real quick, and as you can see here the video is generated. So it will take not long, a while, but once the video is generated I'll be back here. So as you can see here it's in progress at the moment, and if you tap on these 3 lines over here you can go over the manage account section. As you can see here, this is pretty much my account information. You have the subscription page. As you can see here, this is pretty much where you go to check on your credits, how much credits you have. If you do have a subscription, this is where you pretty much go, and you can as well go ahead and purchase coins. So if I tap on the buy coins option, you can see all the prices as it relates to you purchasing coins, and you do get information on how much videos and images you can generate. The video is done generating. All I have to do is just select the video here. As you can see here, this is the results after generating the video. Very great results. So I'm gonna play it again. So that's really pretty much it. And down here you can pretty much recreate the same video by using the same program and so forth. Here you can pretty much go ahead and download the video, and here you can pretty much share the video with your family and friends. So if you tap on the 3 lines over here, you'll be able to you rerun or recreate the same similar video by using the same prompt, but different settings may be different from the result you'll be getting here. And as well, if you want to delete the video, you can as well go ahead and delete it as well. So that's pretty much it for that there. So as you release the subscription of this and everything, pretty much have to go in the profile option, select the 3 lines over there, manage account, and go into the subscription section. So if I haven't subscribed, as I said before, going to need credits to generate image or pretty much anything on this AI tool. So if I tap on manage subscription, here you'll be able to see all their subscription prices. As you can see here, they have a monthly plan, a annual plan, and a monthly plan. As you can see here, you have the ultimate subscription here. I can see what it's getting as it relates to the subscription and all of the accesses and so forth. You have the creator option here as well. You get 6,000 credits per month with this subscription here. At the top, if I go at the top here, you have the team option, and here you'll be able to contact them as it relates to you getting on this plan. So the monthly subscription for this year, as you can see, you have the team plan option here as well, and you can see pretty much all the prices and everything. So yeah, and here they're pretty much having a discount of 6% off on their Nala Banana subscription and their Kling Unlimited Access subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this video, and if you want me to review anything more as it relates to this very powerful AI tool, just comment below and let me know. See you in the next one, guys.